Although SUVs and crossovers are generally assumed to be safe vehicles, not all SUVs are created equally. If safety is a priority for you, it's important to research each vehicle's safety scores before you own one. Let's take a look at the top 10 safest luxury SUVs in 2021, based on US News ranking. The ranking uses scores calculated from crash and safety testing done by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, to determine the best and safest luxury SUVs on this list. Before we begin, if you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe so you won't miss new content. Number 10. Lincoln Aviator. The 2021 Lincoln Aviator is a well-rounded midsize SUV. The Aviator delivers an upgraded driving experience with a more sophisticated, luxurious cabin than the Ford Explorer, with which it shares the same platform. This SUV has lots of safety features as part of the Lincoln Co. Pilot 360 tech suite, which include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic warning, blind spot monitoring, lane departure and keep, and driver drowsiness monitoring. If you want to add extra safety features, Lincoln also offers options such as a surround view parking camera system, head-up display, bending headlights, and evasive steering assist. The Aviator earned an IIHS Top Safety Plus due to good performance in IIHS crash tests. It also has a superior rating in front crash prevention. Number 9. Mercedes-Benz GLC. The GLC is Mercedes' luxury compact SUV that's based on the C-Class sedan. It competes with the Audi Q5 and BMW X3. Among the compact SUV segment, the GLC has a commanding driving position. Accommodating and spacious, most drivers can find a good fit behind the GLC's power tilt and telescope wheel. Short drivers can also sit up high for a commanding view out. The GLC swaddles its occupants in a luxurious leather-lined cabin. It delivers one of the most comfortable rides of any small SUV. The GLC comes standard with forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking. The automatic emergency braking system works up to 65 miles per hour for a moving vehicle and can recognize stationary objects up to 31 miles per hour. The system gives a warning, displays a warning triangle in the instrument panel if a collision is imminent. Also standard is Brake Assist System Plus. This system scans in front of the vehicle looking for other cars and pedestrians. It also augments the driver's brake pressure to ensure stopping in time for an emergency situation. The 2020 GLC earned 5 out of 5 stars in its NHTSA side crash test and 4 out of 5 in rollover testing. It also earned a good rating on most of its IIHS safety tests. Number 8. Volvo XC90. Once the icon of restrained luxury and bank vault safety, the Swedish automaker Volvo turned a corner with the current XC90. It marks a new generation of modern design that can potentially win back those who walked away. The refreshed 2020 model gets good gas mileage, has a spacious and first-rate cabin, and comes standard with plenty of tech and safety features. The XC90 comes standard with adaptive cruise control, blind spot assist, automatic emergency braking. Some of its advanced safety features are part of the Pilot Assist semi-autonomous driving system. It earned a superior front crash prevention result in IIHS testing and received 5 out of 5 stars in its NHTSA front and side crash ratings, as well as 4 stars for its rollover test. Also, IIHS awarded the 2021 XC90 with a Top Safety Pick Plus rating. Number 7. Acura MDX. The 2020 Acura MDX has a robust powertrain, composed handling, and great fuel efficiency. It comes standard with automatic high beams, a rear-view camera, lane departure warning, and the Acura Watch suite of advanced driver aids. The 2020 MDX performed well on its crash tests, earning 5 out of 5 stars overall from the NHTSA. It also earned good results in most safety rating categories from the IIHS, with an acceptable rating in headlights and a superior result in its front crash prevention test. Number 6. Audi Q3. The Q3 is a pleasant SUV that packs luxury, style, and practicality into a small package. It successfully melds traditional Audi qualities such as meticulous yet understated interior design, handling agility, and a solid feel. The driving position is much improved and the rear seat now slides fore aft, optimizing passenger room versus cargo space. The Q3 earned the highest rating of good in all 6 IIHS crash tests and earned a superior rating in its front crash prevention test, also the highest possible score. The Q3 comes standard with Audi Presense Basic, which tightens seatbelts and rolls up windows when a collision is predicted, along with other safety features including pedestrian detection and a rear-view camera. It also comes standard with Audi Presense Front, a forward collision warning system. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz GLE. The Mercedes-Benz GLE received a full redesign for 2020. Its technology is cutting-edge, its powertrains are vibrant, and its cabin is authentically opulent. It also earned excellent safety ratings. The GLE's high-tech safety features include active brake assist, rear-view camera, blind spot monitoring, and driver attention monitoring. It also comes standard with parking assist sensors and Mercedes Pre-Safe system, which prepares the cabin for an upcoming collision by tightening seatbelts, closing windows, and emitting a noise for hearing protection. Number 4. Cadillac XT6. The new for 2020 Cadillac XT6 earned a near-perfect U.S. News safety score. It features a spacious and quiet cabin, plenty of cargo space, and lots of tech. The XT6 comes standard with a bunch of safety features like auto braking, front pedestrian detection, and parking sensors. It also comes with the teen driver system, which sets speed and volume limits for younger drivers. The NHTSA awarded the XT6 5 out of 5 stars for overall safety. The IIHS awarded the new Cadillac with ratings of good across the board, with the exception of an acceptable headlight rating and superior front crash protection rating. Number 3. Lincoln Corsair. The stylish Corsair is the latest entry in the small luxury SUV segment that shares a platform with the Ford Escape. Yet, the more upscale Corsair won't be confused with the Ford, thanks to its well-appointed cabin, comfortable ride, and lively powertrain. The 2020 model is all new, replacing Lincoln's MKC. This SUV comes standard with the MyKey system, which lets you set volume and speed limits for secondary drivers such as teens who are still learning. Its other safety features include pre-collision warning, lane departure and keep assist, auto emergency braking, pedestrian detection, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic high beams. It earned mostly good scores from the IIHS with an acceptable rating for headlights and a superior rating for front crash prevention. It hasn't yet been rated for safety by the NHTSA. Number 2. Volvo XC60. In the top 5 of the luxury compact SUVs of 2020, the new Volvo XC60 is a masterclass in safety. This SUV's interior is made from some of the most upscale, comfortable materials compared to its rivals, offering a smooth ride and good fuel efficiency. The 2020 X660 earned good safety ratings from the IIHS and comes standard with runoff road mitigation and protection, driver drowsiness monitoring, traffic sign recognition, oncoming lane mitigation, lane keep assist, and a rear-view camera. If you want more add-ons, plenty of safety features are available in higher trim levels, including Pilot Assist, which controls your speed relative to surrounding vehicles. Number 1. Audi e-tron. The e-tron is Audi's first electric vehicle and looks like a conventional luxury SUV. The 2020 Audi e-tron offers state-of-the-art, high-tech features and an engaging, refined ride. The all-electric e-tron comes standard with rear parking sensors, rear cross-traffic alert, and a top-view camera. It also comes standard with Audi Presense City, which is a pre-collision warning system with pedestrian detection. You can also add optional safety features like adaptive cruise control, a head-up display, and the Presense 360 system, which prepares the e-tron's cabin for impending crashes. The e-tron earned good scores on its IIHS safety ratings and an overall 5-star rating from the NHTSA. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.